This is the academic program of the Angeles University Foundation Integrated School, Cloud A, Grade School, Junior High School, and Senior High School under one cloud of discovery and creativity. Welcome to this orientation. Angeles University Foundation Integrated School, or AUFIS, is committed to its mission of providing quality basic education and its vision to emerge as an exemplar school in the threefold function of the university: instruction, research, and community extension service. With its core values of Virtus, Veritas, et Caritas, the AUFIS has garnered numerous laurels, including PAASCO Level 3 accreditation, ISO 9001-2015 certification by TÜV-SÜD, and PEAC certification to deliver ESE programs, thereby proving its ability to deliver meaningful and developmentally appropriate education. Even with the pandemic, AUFIS remains firm in its pursuit to offer the same outstanding quality of basic education in a different learning modality that fosters discovery and creativity across grade levels. As we are a family, from preschool to senior high school, we shall work all together to achieve a common purpose, under one program, under one cloud. Our goal is to deliver academic programs into child's safe learning environments using our learning management system as the basic platform for collaboration, interaction, discussion, and optimal learning, conducted and facilitated by teachers. The program focuses on facilitating the acquisition of essential learning competencies, ensuring holistic development of children, and promoting a balance of exposure between offline exploratory and skills development activities and online class discussion, small group interaction, guided practice, and creative and innovative activities. This refers to a specific learning space where a child performs learning activities. There are 3 learning environments in the program: the home for offline learning activities, the virtual learning environment for online learning activities, and the school as support learning environment for activities that may be conducted at the Santa Barbara campus or SBC. Learning support activities in school will focus on library services, laboratory skills enhancement, technical support, coaching, and conferences with parents. All learning support activities are conducted on an individualized, voluntary, and scheduled appointments basis, strictly adhering to the protocols set by the IATF, the Department of Education, the Angeles City Government, and the university. This refers to teaching and learning activities using the internet. With online learning, teachers are able to conduct classes and facilitate the delivery of instruction with flexibility and appropriate support. Online learning also supports enrichment and remediation activities, individualized coaching, and assessment of learning. This is a component of a learning area period conducted by the teacher in the virtual learning environment, with all students enrolled in class required to check in for their class attendance at a given time. This type of online learning activity shall use video conferencing tools. Synchronous activities are conducted to facilitate class discussion and brainstorming, provide mentoring on tasks, prepare students for assessment, deliver lecture or question and answer activity on topics, conduct group meeting of students, and provide coaching and general support. An asynchronous learning activity is also conducted online but may be performed by the student at his or her own pace and time within specified period of completion of the task or activity. Asynchronous learning activities are conducted to facilitate collaboration, promote reflection, provide opportunities to apply learning concepts, discuss queries of students, clarify lessons and activities, and promote communication and digital citizenship. Asynchronous and synchronous learning activities both promote online learning. Teachers provide appropriate learning experiences as students interact with their teachers, with other students, and the global community. They can do a variety of learning activities facilitated by their devices and internet connectivity. This refers to learning tasks, activities, or assignments conducted online, such as browsing web pages or using a computer-based application, whether for formative or non-graded or summative graded assessment. This type of learning activity seeks to ensure that a student discovers relevant concepts, develops mastery of learning competencies through drills and games, or performs programming, coding, problem-solving tasks with the aid of a computer. An offline on-task activity refers to the performance of a task, project, or activity without the use of a computer. This activity provides a meaningful timeout opportunity from online learning activities. Structured support and development of skills is provided to help the child accomplish the task successfully. During offline learning, the child will use various learning materials that support the display of his or her creativity, innovation, and resourcefulness. Educational technology. This refers to learning materials and tools that will be used by the student for online and offline learning activities. Educational technology promotes the use of various learning materials aligned with the objectives of the lesson. After-class enrichment program. This refers to learning activities chosen by students for advanced lessons in a particular subject area or for a specific interest outside of the regular class schedule. After-class remediation program. This refers to additional learning activities that students have to take outside of the regular class schedule based on the recommendations of subject area teachers to gain mastery of learning competencies. Coaching and mentoring. This program refers to conferences conducted by the teacher to a student or to a group of students. Coaching is academic in nature, while mentoring refers to overall study habits and improvement of performance of students aligned with the school's homeroom and guidance resilience education program. K-12 learning framework is anchored on child-centered learning theories and approaches, including discovery learning, which ensures the acquisition of essential knowledge and skills through activities that make the students explore learning opportunities, solve problems, develop skills, apply knowledge, and create projects relevant to their contexts. With this framework, the integrated school hopes to achieve its mission by contextualizing discovery learning principles in the delivery of this home-based learning program. Systematic and structured. The program is systematic and structured to establish routines and develop appropriate learning habits. The programming of learning experiences takes place with specific class schedules, specific learning engagement periods for each subject area, and clearly defined activities for each engagement period. Authentic, integrated, and multidisciplinary. Learning activities are simple, authentic, purposive, and contextualized, highlighting students' voice and ideas relevant to the lesson. Learning tasks integrate various learning competencies and lessons from different subjects. They are multidisciplinary to emphasize the value of quality of learning outputs over quantity of different performance tasks in all learning areas or subjects. In this program, students will work on one project or activity per grading period. Safe. Students' engagement in learning activities online will be strictly monitored and guided by principles of data privacy. Mentoring and coaching sessions by class advisors will be conducted regularly to promote the wellness of students. Enrichment and mentoring sessions at SBC will be conducted following strict health standards and guidelines implemented by the university. Holistic. The program fosters balanced approach to learning. It promotes after-class remediation and enrichment programs based on the needs and interests of students. Further, This program also allows the school to deliver a resilience education program through the mentoring and coaching sessions of the class advisor and the guidance counselor. Also, the program aims to foster the development of the school's core values, responsible citizenship, love for country, mental health, and overall wellness of the students. Student empowerment activities will likewise be conducted to promote sportsmanship, competitiveness, leadership, and excellence. Collaborative. It takes a whole village to educate a child. The program shall employ a whole range of collaborative strategies between parent and teacher and students, student and peers, the teacher and other teachers of the class. Collaboration and partnership between home and school is essential to the success of the program. This collaboration and partnership should allow meaningful cooperation and teamwork. The parent-teacher collaboration and partnership in the delivery of activities must be very strong and consistent, especially for nursery, kindergarten, and grades 1 to 3. Students are also considered partners of their teachers. Students act as mentors and coaches of their fellow students as they collaborate on completion of tasks or help one another in understanding concepts. Collaboration, however, must be governed by integrity and honesty. In the delivery of performance tasks and learning activities, teachers collaborate with their fellow teachers. For example, English teachers support learning and understanding of concepts and delivery of learning in science. Thus, texts and content of other learning activities are tackled in other subject areas. Teachers as class advisors also collaborate with their other teachers for mentoring and coaching sessions with their students. The collaboration between the student and his or her parent is also very important as students need support and guidance at home in the fulfillment of their learning tasks. Reliable internet connectivity allows various online learning activities including browsing, video conferencing, streaming, and participating in interactive activities. Applicable technology device can perform tasks and activities appropriate to the demands of the academic program. This table presents the different models of delivery to accommodate students' various contexts. Our first model is blended learning, which is applicable to students with reliable internet connectivity and applicable devices. Students will have accommodation only when needed. They will be able to explore all learning activities designed for online or offline learning experiences. The second delivery model pertains to students with reliable internet connectivity but with limited capability of technology devices. Blended learning with accommodation can be successfully delivered with offline tasks equivalent to those that cannot be performed using limited gadgets. However, it is important that students communicate with their teachers and advisors for accommodations through conferences. Lastly, those with limited capability of technology devices and without reliable internet connectivity may be accommodated through modular delivery with accommodations. Offline tasks equivalent to those that cannot be performed and conferences with teachers will be implemented. With all the features and processes of our academic program for this academic year, and with your support and cooperation, we can deliver quality basic education in a safe learning environment. Thank you. May the good Lord reward us always.